dudes. Let's start over.
Alright. Ah!
Wait, listen. This relationship is getting more and more personal, internet. Oh! No way, dude.
Water going down.
Wait, listen. I found it.
The machine is back. And I just farted, and that felt great.
Ja, dat is de...
Oh, wat op de zweet.
It's all over now.
A bathroom to do a magic.
I love you more than anything.
Oh my god.
Stop it.
Hey.
Evil cute.
Put it up somewhere.
Take care.
Got one. Have you noticed Tom's are sharp and deadly and Jasper's are like fulcrums? He wants to get any requests?
Hi.
Bye. You can switch off.
Okay. Ew.
Yeah. That's exactly what it was. You only weighed yourself January 1st.
So fucking gross.
I think this shit is bad.
Yaga. Oh my god. Why do you always do that? You like bent over.
On the photo shoot.
Because sometimes, yeah, after
We're going shopping.
Huis.
Nou, woon jij hier ook?
Nee? Wat vind je van mijn nieuwe huis? In de kamer.
Oh, that's a fart. That was a fart. That was a fart. And this is a letter from, doesn't say who it's from. Oh, I'm gonna edit that out so it's okay.
That was so.
More. Wood.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, that was a good one.
Kijk, dan zie ik gewoon dat alles geacteerd.
Ja, maar...
Oh! He can fart on command! He can fart on command. Who can do that?
Toma!
Okay. Oh, that's the way to go out in a video, innit? Yeah, peace out, and don't.
I'm putting that. No! Yeah, I am.
That's the tagline for this game. What are we supposed to? Oh, that yeah. Sounds.
What are you doing? Buy the car.
Oh boy.
I'm sorry.
Guys, we gotta end this real quick.
Wait.
Ah! I missed it.
There. Enjoy that.
That degraded quickly.
Hey, dude.
Tell them good night. Ew, not out of your butt.
You didn't hear it?
Honey, stop.
Like,
Listening to you fart once again.
Amy, why'd you just fart?
Yeah, that's like a chocolate pudding.
Oops.
D-tricks. I'm in fact. Ooh, excuse you, butthole. Excuse you.
Hero.
Oh my god.
Tacos. Tacos. All right. Wow, you're smart.
What's that? What?
Come on.
Let's go. Sneeze a lot.
I think. You didn't hear that part. Okay. Ooh. You guys didn't hear that?
What?
I can't believe I just did that. Oh, I almost shit. It was tiny. Oh. That was like a fucking orchestra. Yeah.
I wasted it. Smell it. Ew! That just sounded wet. I got another one, man. Hold up. Hey? Bro? Breathe! Wow. That is disturbing. That sucks. That's the swag. Like, I don't know. Hold on. At the first air... I farted.
I'd never farted this much in my life.
Big flame. Oh, so was that.
Oh, there's a lot of smoke. I tell you, there is a... Microwaving this... They're donated by Daniel Q. 3, 2, 1. Water will expand.
That's disgusting. What is it? My dad would say you. Tyler, go. That I just said it, even though. Oh my.
Jory farted. Dude, that was freaking wet.
But my butt is saying.
That's gross.